Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for everything outside the house. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you have a sloped yard, an uneven garden bed, or a hill that is slowly washing away every time it rains, you know exactly how frustrating it can be. But let's be honest, when you look up professional landscaping solutions, the price tags for retaining walls can absolutely terrify you. Well, don't panic and definitely don't empty your savings account just yet. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of cheap retaining wall designs. We're going to prove to you that you can achieve a stunning, rock-solid, structurally sound landscape upgrade without breaking the bank. Get ready to discover how smart design and affordable materials can completely transform your outdoor space on a tight budget. Before we look at the designs, let's talk about what a cheap retaining wall actually is and why it is the smartest choice for your property. At its core, a retaining wall is a functional structure designed to hold back soil, resist lateral pressure, and prevent erosion on sloped terrain. Choosing a budget-friendly or cheap design doesn't mean sacrificing quality or safety. Instead, it means focusing on highly efficient, readily available materials like pressure-treated timber, concrete interlocking blocks, or even repurposed natural stones. The primary reason to choose a cost-effective design is obvious. It saves you thousands of dollars that you can reallocate to other beautiful garden elements like plants, lighting, or patio furniture. Furthermore, these budget-friendly designs are specifically engineered for accessibility, making them incredibly DIY-friendly. By choosing an affordable material and handling the installation yourself, you eliminate massive labor fees while still giving your yard crucial structural support, clean lines, and beautiful terraced levels that instantly boost your home's curb appeal. Retaining walls are practical and often necessary landscape features. They help to provide stability in areas that have sloping surfaces and allow for enhanced landscape upgrades like driveways, walkways, and other features. Installing a retaining wall can be a complex and expensive venture, but there are some budget-friendly options to do it in ways that won't break the bank. With the right materials, you can make a cheap retaining wall that functions like a higher-cost one. Depending on your needs, retaining walls can be built using concrete, stone, or wood. You can use variations such as cinder blocks, bricks, pavers, solid stone such as granite cobblestones, or flat pieces of river rock like shale or slate. You can also add a veneer of stone or render to a concrete retaining wall. Here are 15 of our favorite cheap retaining wall ideas you can make with affordable materials. One. Build a raised bed, wood retaining wall in garden. Retaining walls can also serve as excellent raised beds for a garden space. This wooden retaining wall is the perfect height for a flower bed that wraps around the flagstone patio. 2. Add a seating area, wooden retaining wall with bench. This comfy wooden bench is built right into this retaining wall, an excellent multi-use structure. 3. Use river rock veneer. River rock veneer on retaining wall. This concrete retaining wall has a rugged and beautiful veneer of rounded river rock that looks stylish and solid. 4. Create a landscape feature, wooden retaining wall. This sturdy wood retaining wall allows access to maintain this simple landscape area, as well as an attractive edge for the driveway and stairs leading to this home. 5. Make it round paver patio. This stunning patio made of stone pavers is surrounded by a low retaining wall, also made of pavers, and stone steps made with larger pieces of stone. The effect is rustic but also very sophisticated in its well-realized design elements. 6. Match retaining wall and path, white stone retaining wall and pavers. These white pavers look clean and striking alongside a retaining wall built with white stone blocks. 7. Try a render wall, render-coated retaining wall. Render is the term for a concrete coating that creates a water-repellent surface. It has the look of smooth plaster or marble, and it's a very similar concept to plaster as used on interior walls, but the methods and materials are somewhat different. 8. Build a rock garden retaining wall. Rock retaining wall with plants. This gorgeous retaining wall is practical and beautiful and can be made rather inexpensively by using natural boulders. Add some creeping ground covers and succulents that love to grow in the cracks, and you have a living wall that will become more and more charming as time passes. 9. Go for some color. Retaining wall made of brick pavers. The two-tone look of this retaining wall uses paver bricks in earthy, attractive tones of reddish-brown and dark gray. 10. Build in some stairs. Wood retaining wall with steps. This clever and cute design in Bristol, England, combines great workmanship with practicality. The chunky wood retaining wall also provides a sturdy stair for entering the raised tier of this walled garden. 11. Try two-tone, retaining wall and walkway. This light and dark gray walkway and retaining wall is built entirely of pavers placed strategically, with some being cut to fit. 12. Add some soft colors and curves. Curving stone retaining wall. This low, curved retaining wall has softly colored stone pavers in different shapes and sizes that fit together to create a simple geometric structure. 13. Go bright with brick. Red brick retaining wall and garden. This bright orange brick and mortar retaining wall matches the brick wall behind it. It's a warm, inviting frame for the lovely fairy garden creation below. 14. Build a backyard lounge. Round patio with paver retaining wall. This enchanting outdoor hangout space includes a stone fire pit on a stone patio with low retaining wall built of stone pavers. The gray tones of the stone echo the faded natural wood of the fence. 15. Choose earth tones. Paver walkway and low retaining wall. Pavers come in many colors and styles, and these smooth ones in earthy shades of brown create an appealing low retaining wall that matches the bed of tan gravel, providing great drainage and a striking design element. Transforming your landscape doesn't require a massive construction budget. It just takes a little creativity, the right materials, and a bit of weekend elbow grease. Whether you choose the rustic warmth of timber, the clean symmetry of budget blocks, or the natural look of local stones, these affordable retaining walls will protect your soil and elevate your garden's aesthetic for years to come. Remember that proper drainage and a solid base are the true secrets to making a cheap wall look like a luxury installation. You have all the inspiration you need right here, so don't let a sloped yard hold your property back any longer. If you found these budget-friendly design ideas helpful, please hit that like button right now and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more clever, cost-saving exterior design tips. Drop a comment below letting us know which of these cheap retaining wall styles would look best in your backyard, or share your own DIY landscaping wins. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an upload, and we will see you in the next video.